My presentation is about the astronaut. That is my son. He's an astronaut, and his pride and smiling, pointing at his son, the astronaut, and different people from all walks of life also looking up to him, celebrating the first astronaut from their community.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Luca Rose, and I'm here with a painting of one of the Patricia Element Bitcoin. This color actually symbolizes like the color of people and their problems and the difficulties in life. So all this is like as you're going through the process in life, trust me, your gold or that money you're actually working so hard to get is actually going through a lot in the mint. Fire, they blend it, they melt it, it becomes money. It's not that easy.
So this drawing here is basically about life. So I'm going to talk about life and talk about life with Patricia. And what does rocket mean? It means innovation, it means creativity, it means the future. It means, planning for the future. And this is Patricia here, planning for the future. You see a rocket here about to take off. Everyone is living their life. Things are normal, but here we have Patricia planning to make life better for everybody.
So this is a definition of people, right? And what do you have people? What do people are into? Every human being wants something. And what do human being wants the most? Partners. They want partners. They want power. They want progress. They want prosperity. They want profit. And these all are under the category of P. Patricia.